Hi, it's Christine from the Easton Library. For today's craft video, we are going to be making these fancy paper snowflakes. Now, they're really impressive. They're so beautiful. You can hang them up all over your house, and they're really easy to make. So, impress your Zoom family get-together over this winter. I will show you how to do them. So, you're going to need 6 pieces of square paper. It can be white paper, it could be wrapping paper. If you had like that double-sided wrapping paper, it would be beautiful. Colors, whatever you want. And they can be from small. These are 4-inch squares, and that is what I used to make this one. And the example I'm going to be showing you, these are about 8.5-inch squares. Whatever size square you want to work with. So first you take your paper square and you're going to fold it triangularly in half. Let me just put my glasses on. There we go. Like that. Then you're going to fold that piece also in half. Could not be easier. Now, this is the part that can get a little tricky, so you just have to sort of be aware of how you're doing it. With the part that you just folded, the edge that you just folded, sort of keep that downwards and turn your paper sideways like it's an arrow going right or left. Then taking your scissors from that folded edge, you're going to cut 3 cuts up the paper, but you don't want to cut all the way through. Leave it attached a little bit like that. 3 cuts of about equal width. Just like that. See how they open? Now if you don't cut on this folded edge, then what happens, this is from a smaller piece, is you end up with this, which you can't really make a snowflake out of. But if you cut it right, you end up with this shape. And then you're just going to attach them. It's very easy. I'm going to use tape because I have found that's the easiest. Start with the innermost cut and you're going to roll them together like that and tape it. Kind of just a little rolled paper. Then flipping it over, you're going to take the next closest to the inside pieces and roll those over the opposite direction. Tape that one. Same thing with the next one. Alternating the sides of your snowflake part that you do it on. Continue to alternate. See how easy this is? It takes like minutes to do. And this is what you're going to end up with. Very pretty, cool 3D. You're going to make 6 of these. Now I made my 5 others previously. Here they are. I'm going to show you how to attach them. I used a stapler because I found that to be the easiest, but you could use tape also. So you want to first of all attach them side to side right there, and it's super easy just to take your stapler and attach them like that. So, and then your next one, and just along down the line with all 6 of them. So you'll kind of end up with a chain of snowflake parts. These would be so pretty hanging from your ceiling in your house or in your windows. They could even be lovely if you made a small one on a gift as like a bow. And I'm going to hang these up in the library to make it look festive in here for the winter. All right, so now I have these attached like that. I'm going to start to bring now the bottoms together because I want to get this shape. So I'm going to start, I'll just start with these middle two. And the same thing, staple them together. Go along to the next one. Staple it onto what you've done. Onto this next one. And then I'm going from the other side. And there's the last one. Now, the last thing we have to do is just attach these final two, which were the ends of our chain. Attach them together, same way that we attached all the other ones. Going to staple it. And wow! Isn't that impressive? It looks really hard, but it's really so easy. You can use any paper that you have. You can use tape, staples. Super easy, very beautiful. Happy winter from the Easton Library.